prelims exclusive, I read my Samachar Manthan के highlighted marks. Samachar Manthan was my major source जिससे current affairs से mains के content got built up, 80 to 85% of that. When I went to पूरा prelims mode पे, he's from mid-January, since it's my first attempt, so I gave a lot of time to prelims. So उस time पे I went back to समाचार मंथन. मैंने एक बार पढ़ा होगा because I wrote the test.
It is very easy to choose wrong, but it is very difficult to choose right over the wrong. The same case applies when you are preparing for current affairs while doing your UPSC CSC examination. Preparing current affairs with a right strategy is a game changer when you aspire for the topmost all India rank. Generally, students face two major challenges while preparing for current affairs. The first is variations in the nature of the articles, and the second is hitting the exact demand of all India competition. Coming towards the first challenge, that is variations in the articles, let me tell you that there are two kinds of articles, opinion based and the editorial based. Now these articles are curated by various sections of the society. Some are political analysts, some are intellectuals, some are academic expertise. So all these authors present their own view, and these views either might be appreciating the present government policies or it might be criticizing the present government policies. What we need to do is consolidate both of these views and take a neutral stand while writing our mains answer right. And this can be reflected in the toppers evaluated copies when they take some static part of, or they take some dimension and present this dimension of the news in their mains answer writing. The second thing is the evolving nature of these articles. Now basically अगर हम Gaza crisis का example ले ले, when the issue was escalated on the 7th October 2023, it has been evolving till the April 2024, when UNSC adopted a resolution on the ceasefire. So we need to stay consistent when this news was being evolving. It not only impacts the global geopolitical condition, but it also impacts the global economical condition. And the second major challenge which aspirants face is hitting the exact demand of all India competition. Now when we see the previous year's questions, we see there have been questions like the spaces in the news. पहले तो UPSC बस spaces in the news पूछता था, but when it comes to prelims 2023, we'll find the questions like nocturnal mammals, we'll find the questions like honeybees behavioral features. So this kind of news needs to be heated on the same moment it had been appeared in the newspaper. This needs some consistency, this needs some debates and discussions, this needs some previous year's questions analysis in a right strategy. For preparing current affairs in a right strategy, I am coming up with a free webinar on Samachar Manthan series where I will be discussing with you कि किस तरह से तैयारी करनी है in a 360-degree manner. The link for this webinar is given in the description box given below. You need to fill a complete Google form and enroll for this free webinar. Till then, thank you. Stay tuned up with the Civils Daily.